A new video of moving the issue type. So what do you mean by moving the issue type? So suppose I am in this project Panther. Why I have come to this project? I'll just tell you. Here I wanted to create a user story called test user story for moving, and I click on create. Then I realized that instead of creating user story, I have created a bug by mistake. This is a bug. Now I want to move this to user story, not a bug. What I will do is I will just come to here at the right side top corner on the three dots. I will click and I will click on move. So here I am able to see that the current project is Panther, the current issue type is bug. So I want to keep the project as same and I want to select the new issue type as story. So you can just see the number as well, that will be removed. So the current status will be here, it's open. The new status will be to do in the user story. I'll just click on next. So here the story point field was mandatory, that's why it's coming. Fill the story points. I have filled 0. So this is the original value, this is the new value. I will just do confirm. Now you can see that pan 5, which was a bug type, it has changed to the user story. Now I will tell you why I have come to this Panther project. What I want to do is I want to just change the project. I want to make this go into my ecom project. So in our ecom project there is nothing called test the user story. I'll show you here. Backlog, you can see there is no kind of test the user story and the maximum number is EA19. So here again I will go here, I'll just click on move. So the new project will be ecom and the issue type will be story only. Okay, let's make it. Okay, the name is name I have put is test the story, that's why let's keep it story only, else you can keep it any issue type. So I have moved the project, I have kept the issue type same. I will just put new. So here they are telling that this is, you are changing the story type. All fields will be updated automatically. So here the original value will be Panther, the new project is ecom 100, type is story, status is to do. The workflow is same, that's why it's coming to do. Now see, you have moved to ecom and here is the EA21. So if we go to the EA board, here I refresh it, EA21. So if you guys ask why EA20 is not there, might be EA20 we have made something and we have deleted it, so that's why it's coming EA21. So did you see guys how we can move the issues from one project to another project, or one type to another type in the same project, or one type to another type in the different project? Any kind of permutation and combination we can do, and we can move from one project to another project, one issue type to another issue type. Thank you guys. Thanks for liking and subscribing my channel. Thank you.